A lot of people keep asking me, Jermaine, I've got a Kickoff, I've got Self, I've got Ava. My score went up a little, but I still can't get approved for anything. And then somebody else will say, nah, these apps help me a lot. So today, we're going to talk about what these credit builder accounts really do, how they work, and what kind of credit they actually build. I want you guys to understand something. There's a big difference between a higher score and a stronger credit profile. Now, let's break them down one by one. Kickoff lets you borrow a small amount, usually $10 to $20, to buy a digital product from them. They automatically draft your payment each month and report it to 2 credit bureaus. It's good for showing on-time payments, but there's no real credit risk. You're not actually borrowing money you could default on. So it can help your score just a little, but it doesn't build deep credit history. Self is more like a savings plan. You borrow money that's locked in a CD and you pay yourself back over time. It reports to all 3 credit bureaus. So you get positive payment history. But again, you're not really taking on risk. It helps your score, but it doesn't show lenders how you handle real borrowed money. Self is probably the best of the group because it does report to all 3 credit bureaus and it helps you build a longer payment history. But even then, it's still not showing lenders how you manage actual credit risk. So it's good for your score, but not enough for big approvals. Ava is a newer credit builder account. You connect your checking account and they give you a small line of credit, usually $50 to $200. They automatically draft the small payments and report to Experian and Equifax. It can help your payment history a very small amount, but there's still almost no credit risk. So it's fine for small score bumps, but it's not the kind of accounts that build strong credit depth. Credit Sesame works with your own money. You spend from your own account and they report these payments as credit activity. It helps with payment history, but you're not borrowing real money. It's helpful for adding positive data, but it won't move you far towards real credit approval. The last one I want to talk about is Affirm, right? Which is a buy now, pay later company. You've probably seen it when you're checking out online. You can split your purchases into payments over 3, 6, 12 months. Affirm pays the store upfront and then collects payments from you. They make money by charging the merchant a fee and sometimes charging interest to you. But here's the thing. They don't report every loan. Usually, they only report the larger term ones and only to Experian. So if you're doing those short pay in 4 plans, they don't help your credit at all. And if you take a longer loan and pay it on time, it can help a little. But if you miss a payment, it can hurt you. Affirm is more of a financing tool than a credit builder account. I figured I would talk about Affirm because a lot of people ask me about Affirm in general. Now, I know some of you have looked at people's credit reports and seen late payments from Self or Kickoff, and yes, that's real. If you miss a payment, they will report it, and it will hurt your score just like any other account. But here's the catch that you guys need to understand. Those same accounts don't carry much positive weight when you pay on time. Why? Because they're not real credit relationships. You're not actually borrowing the company's money. You're using your own money in a controlled setup. So they can hurt if you slip up, but they don't help you much when you're doing everything right. That's why you'll see people with a self account and perfect payments still get denied for real credit. Lenders can see the difference. They know it's a low risk, low limit account, and it doesn't show how you handle real borrowed money. Here's the key point. These apps can help your score because they report on-time payments, but they don't help your credit profile. And that's what lenders actually look at. Your score is just the number. The profile shows your credit mix, your payment history, your utilization, and how you handle real debt. You can have a decent score and still get denied if your profile is thin and it doesn't show real credit experience. So remember, a higher score doesn't always mean a stronger score. But I'm not going to leave you out. Let's talk about what actually builds trust with lenders, the kind of accounts that create a real credit profile. One of the best ways to start is with a secured credit card. You put down a deposit, maybe $300, and that becomes your credit line. You use it like a normal credit card and you pay it off monthly. Because you control the spending, there's real credit risk and real reporting. That's what lenders want to see, how you handle actual credit. I talk about a secured credit card because if your credit is messed up, you're not going to be able to get a regular credit card. But once again, adding Self, Kickoff, Credit Sesame, Ava, it's not going to help you get approved for real credit. Now, another strong option is a pledge loan. You put money in a credit union account because credit unions are the only ones who do it. They lock it and they lend you the same amount. You make real payments with real interest and it reports as an installment loan. That shows lenders you can manage different types of credit, revolving and installment, which strengthens your overall profile. When people ask, do credit builder accounts help? Yes, they help your score a little, but they don't build the kind of credit profile that gets you approved for real loans and cards. If you want to build real credit, focus on secured credit cards and pledge loans. Those are the accounts that creates trust with lenders and open the doors to bigger approvals. If you want real help, real results, and real credit change, I suggest you join my private community. And let's look at what people are saying. Look at what Roxanne says right here. I'm not going to lie. Jermaine is the GOAT. He's absolutely killing the credit game right now. The amount of letters I have paid for before meeting him was ridiculous. These other people just sell you letters and leave you stuck with no real direction. But Jermaine, he actually breaks down everything, educates you, and takes his time until you truly understand. Another thing that I want you guys to see is what Angel said, right? Just got off the Zoom call with Jermaine McNeil. I'm still kind of mind blown. So much information I just received. I'm so appreciative of the call today. I signed up for Smart Credit. I booked a call and got on the Zoom call a few hours later and got all the answers I needed. He literally just took my business to a whole nother level. I'm so thankful for his knowledge spread. I can show you in the last 30 days. Look, Kimberly, 35-point increase. This person, 78-point increase. It's real, guys. Look what she's saying with regards to it. She's showing her credit score. When she started out, she was up in the 7s. Then she messed up like most of you guys did, right? When we met in a couple of months, she's back up to the 700 credit score. But there's more. Let's keep going. This person, 89-point increase. This person, 21 points, 63 points, 21 points, 25 points, 14 points, 23 points, 67 points, 94 points. 64 points, 93 points, 173 points, 54 points, so on and so forth. This person right here, look, 8 deletions in the first round. You guys know these companies: Portfolio, Midland Credit, Living Funding, Jefferson Capital, and 2 charge-off accounts. But let's keep going. I want you guys to see this. Seeing is believing, and I understand that. 154 points, 134, 138. This person right here had a judgment granted in their favor, right? I worked in debt collection, so I helped them with regards to that. And we got 4 pages of this, as you can see at the bottom. It goes on and on and on. If you want real help, real results, and real credit change, just as I shown you here before, sign up for my private community. The link is down in the description. It's on sale right now for $21 a month because I understand the holidays are coming up, and this is to help you out on your credit journey. Fill out the information down below. I hope to see you in my private community. Let's go.